Here we have a story, Bitcoin Magazine. A combination of supply and demand dynamics and the actions of legacy financial systems will push Bitcoin to 200,000 in 2021. You don't seem too excited, Will. I believe as I was finishing that headline, you took a huge yawn right there.
Well, it's 5 p.m. right now. It's usually my bedtime.
You go to bed at 5 p.m.?
Yeah.
You're a Bitcoin guy.
But it is exciting.
You're a Bitcoin guy.
Yeah.
You don't mind 200,000.
Not at all.
This particular article is looking at something called the halving. What a word, halving. But I need to make sure you know there's an L in there.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to say halving, but it's halving is how you would say it. Cycle is, it really has to do with supply and demand and this idea that unlike fiat currency where the supply can change, the supply for Bitcoin doesn't change, and therefore they can track these various cycles to see how previous history could potentially play out again as supply changes going forward. There's actually a pretty cool thread that aims to visualize the mechanics, and I believe the tweet is embedded also in this article right here. So if you are watching this show, you can presumably have a better understanding if you look at the visualization. But either way, the idea here is that you had similar mechanics at play back in 2012 and 2016 that followed in 2013 and 2017 mania, and that 2020 is on track for the same. I mean, that's the speculation here. But obviously, Will, there's all kinds of incentives to say such a thing, particularly for those that are holders of such things and stand to gain and benefit. And I'm reading the article on Bitcoin Magazine for that matter.
Yes.
All that said, has been a pretty hot day for crypto or no? I thought Ethereum was kind of hot.
Yeah, it's doing well.
Oh, okay.
Like recently.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw Visa made an announcement.
They go up and down.
Is that right? Do they go up and down?
This is what I heard.
Yeah. Well, anyway, if you care to follow up with some of the models, you can go look at it. But there's definitely lots of incentive to broadcast a potential $200,000 Bitcoin.
That's exciting.
But if you look, go back to the chart. Go back to the chart, Will. Give me an all. Give me an all on that. I mean, sheesh. In the last year, it's a bit ridiculous.
Yeah.
The last year's a bit ridiculous.
They've had their moments too during the rise.
Couple of moments.
Yeah, a couple of peaks.
Anyway, you guys let me know. 200K, yes or no?